Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Pureref Wonder. In this video, we're gonna make these rocks, rock realistic rocks, and these video tabs. So without wasting our time, and let's start making it. First of all, I made one and tried how it looks. And I downloaded the texture from Followalong, and I made this rock type and tested it from there. And then I'm gonna show you how you can texture some rock like this. First of all, copy the rock from this file, the rock we made previously, and then paste it or place them in this file, and then name the texture rock variation 1 or name anything you like. Okay, then we add an image texture that is already added to this rock. Then we select the image and reduce the specularity and increase the roughness. Then we select the texture we just downloaded, then add it to this rock. Okay, then next thing we're gonna do is this smart UV project, and then see if it looks good, then save over, then try another texture. Then if it looks good, then that's great, and save over and look for some options if you see something you want, and also smooth the rock for better results. Okay, there are two variations of rock we just made. Two variations are done, and then we can make more variations like another, make the art and the whole passing for this student. And then from Polyheaven we can download the textures like here from 1K to 8K, and anything you like and texture you want. I select the rock and I select the rock I want, rock texture, and then download this with 1K and use it fine. It won't take much time, but it looks good when we apply to our rocks. Then we can shape the rocks correctly. We can shape the rock anything we like, and delete the overlapping vertices and faces, and apply texture with the image texture, and then UV smart UV project. Then set UV if you want something to do great, and use the bump node for better results. If you want a lot detailed rock texture, then you can use the bump node. Connect the bump node to the normal of the simple BSCF, then to the image texture color. Okay. Then color the rock, like texture the rock, and we can make the rock anywhere and any design like. They are pretty natural, so it's up to us how we place them and make them correctly. Just like add the texture from one here, and then remember to keep the texture, shoot them, and save your work. Oh, there are low poly rocks. These are low poly rocks, but they look a lot detailed. We can download texture from Blender Kit and Polyheaven and Polygon and textures and much more websites. There are much more websites, and I use Polyheaven and download the image, the texture. We can make as much as we want by using rock. It's up to us how we make it and how much we can add texture to it. So we can make any kind of rocks like this. I'm making the white one like this and extrude them like this. Place it correctly. You use the proportionality and overlapping vertices and set them correctly. Use the texture and place the UV correctly when you see something good. And remember to use the correct texture or the correct rock. That's important. And also remember to save the work. Then we can continue later on. then duplicate the 5 blocks and as much time you want. But remember to keep it simple and less detailed and a lot good. Keeping it good and nice is a lot better than placing and modeling. The first impression is the best impression of the model or something. Okay, these blocks are placing are complete. Now we can texture it like this. We can use Pureref software to place the reference images to see how we can texture and model the block and anything we want, anything we are modeling or making. You can use the Pureref and place any images, and as much images we want, we can place in the Pureref and look at them and start modeling it and texturing it. Just like these blocks are looking pretty nice. Let's set the UV if you want. You can see a problem with the UV in the UV editor. Now we can copy paste the block as many times as we want, but remember to keep it simple and open and save your work. And then we can make any kind of variation in block. So make different kind of block, like I am making this one and make the archway like that and make something like this and any shape you want. Just like this, put some rotate them and place them correctly. Use the proportionality for the result and merge some vertices and join the vertices also if you want. Okay, this looks good. And now texture this block. Remember to keep every block a single text. And then add the text request and select it. Then text you want. UV Smart UV project. Like this. This is a lot better. Join the vertices in that you see something UV problem and this will fix the problem. Okay, and also set smoothie for better result. Then there are a lot of variation types that I made block variation. Remember to name them correctly and keep them under one text. Now place all rocks by using I textured the ground ocean bed and then sand texture. Okay. Now duplicate the two rocks and now I want the mixed texture rock by the rock and then move them, place them correctly, duplicate them and keep them as one piece for now. And then we can duplicate and separate them separately after we done modeling and duplicating, placing them. Now place the rock anywhere you want and remember to give random rotation to every rock. Like this. Now we have a pile of rocks. Now separate some random rocks from each of them and then duplicate the material and then texture it separately. Just like this one and add open new windows from the viewer and then add texture UV Smart UV project and then texture every rock separately. This will look nice and save your work. This last variation of rocks are looking pretty nice when we texture it separately and they are also looking much better. Now set every rock on the ocean floor and then render the image in the cycle. This will give a really nice render result. In the last, follow me to create more fun stuff like this. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. This is the final result and I'll see you guys in the next video. Allah.